Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to look at the binary addition, which lies on the subtopic binary arithmetics. If you want to watch other video that are already compiled, or rather the video that I have on my list, you are able to convert digits from one form to the other. For example, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal. We had also looked at the decimal fraction to binary number using either the place value methods or the long division methods. We had also done the decimal to binary conversion. So in this particular video, we are going to look at the binary addition, and we need to remember that a computer processes data by performing either of the following operations. It can either add, subtract, divide, or multiply. For the subtraction, we will carry out through complementation, while for division and the multiplication, we are going to use the shifting method. So let's go directly to the binary addition. Okay, so for the binary addition, we have, whenever we have 0 and another 0. And also we need also to remember that for the binary number system, this is whereby we have a number system whereby we have two digits, that is 0 and the 1. Those are the most important part on this one. So you need to remember that whenever we deal with binary, we deal with two digits, that is the 0 and the 1. So for example, let's assume that we have digits 0 and you add it to another 0, the answer will definitely be 0. So whenever you had binary 0 and another binary 0, it will definitely give you the 0. So in the back of your mind, you should be able to interpret that whenever a computer comes across a 0 and another 0, it will definitely compute it as a 0. But a 0 and a 1, or 1 and a 0, it will always give you 1. While 0 plus 1, it will definitely give you 1. But if you come another scenario whereby we have 1 and another 1, it will not be 2, but rather it will be 1, 0. Remember, in computer, we don't say this is 10. Rather, we use the term 1, 0. And this is interpreted as 10 is the binary equivalent of 2 in base 10 number system. Well, for these other case where we have 1 plus 1 plus 1, it will give you 1 and 1. And remember, not 11. And 1 and 1 in the binary equivalent of 3 in the base is supposed to be, rather, 11 and 11, 1, 1 is the binary equivalent of 3 in base 10 number system. So these are the possible basic arithmetic addition in the binary number. So as long as you are able to interpret these 5 cases, you'll be able now to do the whole thing. Okay, let's dive now to the examples that we have. So we have 0, 1 base 2 plus 1, 1. And remember, guys, if you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also share to your friends who are facing the same challenge on binary addition. So for 1, 1 and 1, 1, we'll try to compute it. Okay, let me create 2 screens so that you can have a look at it. So we have 1, 1. Okay, let me make this one a little bit bigger. So for this one, we have 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1 plus 1, 1. Now we have the possible arithmetic answers. Okay, let's dive to the whole thing. So we have 0, 1, 1, 1. Then we have plus. Remember the rules. Whenever we have 1 and 1, it should give you 1, 0. This one. So 1, 1, it will give you 1, 1 is 1, 0. Therefore, you write 0. Then you carry 1 to your left hand side. Now to your left hand side, after you carry 1, you will have 1 plus 0 plus 1. 1 plus 0 plus 1, which is equivalent to 1 plus 0 plus 1, which is equivalent to his 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, as you can see, 1 plus 1 is equivalent to 1, 0. Therefore, this will be 1, 0. Therefore, the final answer for this one will be 1, 0, 0 base 2. I hope you have understand, and now we have gone through the whole thing. So as long as you are able to interpret this rule and almost, let me say that as long as you're able to interpret all the rules that we have, all the possible outcome of either of the 5 cases, you will be able now to interpret this one. Okay, let's go to our example 2. So for this one, it will be 100 base 2. For this one, for our case number 2, we have 1101 base 2 plus 111. Okay, let me write it down. 1, 1, 0, 1. Then we have 1, 1, 1. Okay, let me try to wrap it. So we have, let me write it down here, 1, 1, 0, 1, while we have 1, 1, 1. Okay, remember the rule number 1, this one, 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1, 0. So you write the 1 there. Then the other one, you carry it above the digits that is above, that is on your left hand side. So we will have 1 plus 0 plus 1. I think you still remember we had done the same thing. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1. 1 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, you write the 1 here. This other one is supposed to be 1. The other one, carry it on to the left-hand digits. So we have 1, 1, 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. We have this rule. 1, 1, 1 is equivalent to 1, 1. So you write the 1 there. So 1, 1, 1. Okay, we had a mistake here. Remember, 1, 1, 1 is supposed to, sorry for that. So I was wondering what could be the problem. 1, 1 is supposed to be, this is supposed to be 0. Guys, remember, 1, 1 is supposed to be 1, 0. This rule. Okay, so this is a 0. Then we have 1, 1, 1, which is 1, 1. Then you carry the 1 to this point. 1, 1. After you carry it, we apply this particular rule again. 1, 1, 1, plus 1 is equal to 1, 0. Therefore, this will be 1, 0. Therefore, our final answer will be 1, 0, 1, 0, 0 base 2. I hope up to that point we are on the same boat. Okay, let's move to another example. For this one, I'll give you maybe a few minutes, maybe a minute, then you go through the whole thing. Where we have 100 base 2 plus 101 base 2. Okay, let's do it. So we have 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, if you look at some of the basic arithmetic addition that we have, 1, 1, 0 plus 1, this one is definitely 1. While 0 plus 0, this one is equal to 0. Then remember 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 1, 0, 1, 0. This was quite direct. Therefore, the final answer will be 1, 0, 0, 1, the base 2. It is that simple. I hope guys you have understood on how to work on the binary addition. It is very easy as long as you are able to interpret 1 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 1 plus 1 is equal to 1, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 1, 0, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1. Okay, having done that, in the next video, I will show you on how to subtract the binaries. So for the meanwhile, if you are guys, you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. For those who have already subscribed and you have a new idea or any suggestion or you need any clarification, kindly write it on the comment section. I will get it back to you as soon as I see your comment. Thank you and have a lovely day.